Welcome, in front of me is a BIGME HiBreak Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application, and in here we're gonna scroll down to System, Factory Reset, and select Confirm. So begin factory resetting the device, and this will presumably take about 2 minutes, I would say, to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.